Right now, thousands of AI-driven YouTube and Facebook channels are being systematically wiped out or completely demonetized overnight. The automated systems running these platforms are actively hunting for specific triggers. If your channel gets caught in the sweep, you'll see your dashboard flagged for low-effort content, reused content, or inauthentic behavior. The single most common mistake triggering these strikes is pure copy and paste laziness. Creators are taking raw, unedited scripts straight from ChatGPT and dropping them directly into text-to-video generators without a second thought. You can bypass these automated purges. We are going to build a 4-step workflow that injects a measurable human touch into your videos, securing your monetization status and protecting your channel. Surviving the algorithm requires a simple mindset shift. You have to start treating AI-generated clips as raw material to work with, rather than a final, ready-to-publish product. Step 1. Audit your script. Avoid the template trap. You can't just reuse the same script structure and swap out a city or character name. Instead, build narrative stories. Your script needs a clear progression: introduction, action, conclusion. So your text structure completely varies. You have to apply that same variation to your audio. Running the identical text-to-speech voice across every single video with no changes in pacing or emotion is an immediate red flag. Static, repetitive formulas in your writing and your audio trigger platform spam filters. Forcing dynamic variation into your script and voiceover breaks the predictable data patterns automated filters use. Next, we look closely at your video runtime to avoid the duration loop, a hidden trap in standard generation software. Look at this dashboard. Standard AI generators output clips in exact, rigid increments. If every single video on your channel is exactly 10 seconds long, the system flags the entire channel for identical lengths. To bypass this, do not generate your video as one single prompt. Instead, generate separate, distinct short clips. You will then take those isolated clips and manually stitch them together. Because each raw clip has a slightly different duration, combining them ensures a completely unique, uneven runtime. Highly variable custom video lengths prove to the platform's automated systems that manual assembly occurred before uploading. We move to the timeline. Your video editor is where the human touch is manufactured. Drag varying length AI clips onto your primary track. Next, layer memes and B-roll above it to break visual patterns. Finally, drop in background music and sound effects for depth. Then you apply manual transitions between the original raw AI clips to smooth out the sequence. A multi-layered editing timeline provides the verifiable human effort required to protect your channel from low-effort demonetization strikes. Before you export that timeline, you must audit your content for severe policy violations. Getting flagged costs money, but violating safety carries real-world risks. This graphic represents the strictly banned categories of AI misuse. Generating deepfakes, manipulating celebrity images, and publishing fake news are direct policy violations. Producing deceptive content does not trigger a simple warning. It results in permanent channel bans and, in recent cases of impersonation, direct arrests. To stay safe, ensure your content clearly prioritizes education, entertainment, or transparent storytelling. Low-effort filters flag repetitive technical patterns, while safety filters target deceptive intent. A workflow that pairs manual editing with coherent storytelling provides the specific markers platforms require. Look at your fully assembled, multi-track, dynamic video project. You have unique scripting, varied runtimes, and a complex timeline. This dashboard is the result. By applying these 4 specific steps, you fulfill YouTube and Facebook's strict criteria for human curation. Save this workflow. Treat it as a permanent, non-negotiable checklist for every single future upload. Export your project, upload it with confidence, and hit subscribe for more creator survival guides. Success in this niche depends on using AI to scale your creative output, rather than using it to avoid the work entirely. Those who master this hybrid workflow are the ones who stay monetized, while the rest of the niche disappears.